Total Quality Management. We also know this as TQM. Now we'll start with introduction. Total quality management involves not just ensuring the quality of products and services, but also the methods employed to attain that quality. Now, for example, in a manufacturing company, total quality management would not only focus on producing high quality goods, but also on implementing effective quality control processes and continuous improvement initiative to maintain and enhance the quality standards. This course on total quality management instructs individuals in the fundamental tools and techniques necessary for creating, executing, and sustaining excellence in products and service performance. It emphasizes delivering superior value to customers through continuous productivity enhancement and decreased operational cost. Now, for instance, participants in this TQM course will learn how to identify areas for improvement, implement quality control measures, and optimize processes to reduce expenses while consistently delivering high quality products and services to customers. This course, built upon real-world scenario, is crafted to aid students and professionals in gaining a thorough comprehension of quality management principles and total quality management philosophies. Its goal is to ensure that every member, starting with top management level, actively pursue continuous improvement for the entire organization. This improvement encompasses meeting and surpassing customers' demand and adhering to international quality standards. For example, participants in this course will delve into practical case studies and exercises, allowing them to apply TQM principle to real-life situations within organization. This hands-on approach fosters a deep understanding of how TQM can enhance product quality and overall organizational performance. At end of this course, you will have the ability to develop, execute, and sustain flawless performance, thereby providing exceptional value to customers through consistent productivity enhancement, reduced operational expenditure, and the delivery of outstanding products and services. For example, in better ways, I can say that you will be equipped with the skills and knowledge needed to identify and rectify errors, implement efficient processes, and maintain a high standard of product and service quality, resulting in improved productivity and cost saving for your organization. You will have cultivated the essential competencies and methodologies needed to establish and continuously enhance effective quality management system, which are vital for elevating your company to the status of a top tier organization. Let's say that you will have acquired the expertise to create and refine quality management system that can help your company achieve world-class status through ongoing improvements. You will possess a strong comprehension and be adept to applying the fundamental principle of quality management, which will serve to cultivate a culture of superior quality within your organization. Now, let's say you will be able to implement quality control measures and processes that consistently result in high quality products and services, leading to increased customer satisfaction and improved overall performances. You will have the ability to choose and develop the appropriate TQM tools to ensure that products, projects, and services are delivered to meet and exceed customers' requirement and international quality standards. Let's see, like after this, you will be capable of selecting, implementing the right TQM tool to guarantee that the products, projects, and services not only meet but also surpass customers' expectation and adhere to the international quality standard. This course is for manager and executive. TQM course help managers and executive understand how to lead and drive quality initiative within their organization. They learn how to set quality goals, create a culture of continuous improvement, and align quality with overall business objective. Then this course is useful for quality assurance professionals. Quality professionals, including quality analysts, quality engineers, quality managers, can benefit from TQM courses to enhance their quality knowledge of quality management, principles, tools, and techniques. Then, this courses also benefit for operationals and production personals. Individual working in production, manufacturing, or service delivery can learn how to apply TQM principle to improve processes, reduce defect, and enhance product and service quality. Then, this course is also useful for project managers. Project managers, this course can help project managers incorporate quality management into project planning, project execution, and ensuring that projects are completed with high quality and efficiency. Now, this course is also useful for employees at all levels because it is often seen as a philosophy, like TQM is often seen as a philosophy that should pass in an entire organization. Therefore, TQM course may be relevant for employees at all levels to instill a culture of quality and continuous improvement. Then, this course is also for entrepreneurs, for business owners at all level. Okay, so a small business owner and entrepreneurs can gain insight into how TQM principle can be applied to improve the quality of their product or services, enhance customer satisfaction, and optimize their operations. Okay, so overall TQM course aim to equip individuals with the knowledge and skills to implement total management practice effectively. Okay, drive continuous improvement and deliver product and services that meet or exceed customers satisfaction, customers expectation. The specific audience and content of a TQM course may vary, but this is very useful for everyone, either they are business owner or they are manager or they are at floor level or whoever they are. This course is very beneficial for everyone who's working in industry. Thank you.